I want to say this, maybe for some persons somewhere who are still mixing up issues. We have only one assembly, and that assembly is headed by Right the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo. A group of friends, they embarked on what they call Simba's journey. Halfway the vessel, while they were coasting, they now realized that they were entering inside the den of devil and sharks. They now retrieved. It is too late. It is too late. And the truth about it, we're not going back. We've given them enough room. As it stands now, our major target is the interest of Rivers State and to continue to defend the integrity of governance. So as long as I'm concerned, we have moved on. Let me thank everyone who has made this very possible. We made a promise to you that we'll continue to keep the interests of Rivers first. So now that this bill has been signed, I can assure you that every projection in it, we will make sure that we kickstart it, so that the record of performance that was accorded this administration in the year 2024 will be higher